How to enable or disable Find My Mobile. Allow this phone to be found on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, tap on your account profile. Then we go down and tap on Samsung Find. Now tap on the More button here and tap on Settings. In Settings, go down, then tap on Allow Devices to be Found. Then tap on the name of your device. Next we go down and then tap on Allow this phone to be found. So if it's off, you may want to switch it on. Otherwise, you can just tap on the toggle button to turn it off. Now when you switch it off, you need to enter in your account password so that you can switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So here it is now off, so we can just tap on it to switch it on. Thank you for watching.